Hey guys, welcome back. Inside this tutorial I am talking about backgrounds. So simply click on it and right click on it and click on this button here. Now our template is ready to use. So here already open a comp inside the timeline where you can see the preview of all backgrounds seen. Okay, so according to your choice you can select your background and directly open with this from here with double click. Okay, but we will start from here with this project panel. So inside this you got three different files. One is assets folder, second one is backgrounds folder, and third one is background previews. So simply click on this backgrounds and drop this little triangle tool down here, and inside this you got all category. Okay, and first you can select your choice like this. Okay, for example here I will select this one. So you can simply take this and drag and drop inside your scene, and with double click open this, and from this controller panel you can change the color of your background. Okay, like this. So this is the way to edit this background. Simply take this behind the content in your scene. Okay, so you can use this according to your project requirement. So this is the way to use backgrounds. Thanks for watching.